Hello students, hope you are doing great. In this video, we will do class 7 poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree by Keith Wright. As the name itself suggests, it's a humorous poem. So let's see what's there in the poem. Have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? Sometimes a cat may climb too high and get stuck in the tree. The poor thing can't come down without help. How would you help it? Surely not like Dad in the poem. Is Dad a good climber? What were his plans? Read the poem to find out. So let's see, what did Dad do? This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. So the poet says that one morning, a cat got stuck on their tree, on the top of their tree. And Dad said, leave it to me. That means I will bring the cat down. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Wobbly means shaky, it was unsteady. And it was tall as well. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. For goodness sake is an exclamation which expresses protest. That means Mom warned Dad that please don't fall. Fall, scoffed Dad. Scoffed means laughed mockingly as if making fun of Mom. A climber like me? Child's play this is. Child's play means an easy task. You wait and see. So when Mom said please don't fall, that made fun of Mom, saying that I am a climber, I am a good climber, and for me it is an easy task. It's just a child's play. You just wait and see. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So what did he do? He brought a ladder, put it against the tree and tried to climb the tree. But the ladder slipped and Dad fell down in the garden on the flower bed. So in this poem, if we see the rhyming scheme, let's see first the rhyming scheme of first 4 lines. We have to see the last words. It's got, tree, just, me. So got is A, tree is B, just is C, and me is B because it is rhyming with tree. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. Let's see next stanza. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. So we saw that Dad tried to climb the tree with the help of ladder and it slipped and Dad fell down. And he said, never mind. That means it's okay. He brushed dirt from his shirt, his hair, his face, his trousers. And then he said, we will try plan B. Stand out of the way, Mom said. Don't fall again, okay? So plan A was to climb the tree by ladder. It failed. Now Dad is trying plan B. And again, Mom warned him, don't fall. And Dad just said, just stand out of the way. He didn't want anybody to interfere. And Mom warned him. Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on the branch. It broke. Then Dad again mocked Mom by saying, fall again. It's a funny joke. I am a good climber. And then he swung. Then he tried to swing on the branch of the tree. And branch of the tree broke. Dad landed well up. Landed well up means fell heavily. Back on the deck, he again fell down, again in the same garden. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. Then Mom again she warned, stop it, stop climbing the tree, you will break your neck. Now we'll try plan C, easy as winking, to a climber like me. So Dad said, okay, now we will try plan C. Now plan A and plan B has failed and Dad is trying plan C. And again he said that it is as easy as winking your eyes because I am a good climber. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Then he tried to climb the tree by climbing the garden wall. And he did not fall this time. He went on the tree. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree. Crook means a curved or hooked part of the tree. So he jumped and he went straight on the crook of the tree, on the curved part of the tree, right on the cat, right next to the cat. He went on the tree. The cat gave a yell. The cat gave a yell means the cat made a noise, a hard noise, and sprang to the ground, pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. Then after giving a yell, the cat jumped on the ground and she was very happy. Pleased as Punch means she was very happy because she was safe and sound. That means she was unhurt. So it's smiling and smirking. Smirking means smile in a silly way. Smug as can be. Smug means self-congratulatory. So the cat came down cat was smiling and she was smirking, and she was congratulating herself to be successful to come on the land. But poor dad still stuck up there, the tree. But what happened now this time? Dad got stuck on the tree. So plan C was almost successful, but dad himself got stuck on the tree. So this was a humorous poem by Keith Wright, isn't it? Aren't the situation funny, students? Have you ever faced such situation where you have to brought down any animal from tree? Just tell me in the comment box. Now let's see the poetic devices in the poem. So as we already saw, rhyming scheme is ABCB. Now let's see how many figures of speech are there. There is alliteration. What is alliteration? Repetition of consonant sound at the beginning of words. In the lines like smiling and smoking, tree trunk, please as punch, there is alliteration. Then there is personification. It is giving human attributes to animals or non-living things. In the line, it's smiling and smirking. This attribute of smiling and smirking has been given to cat, so there is personification. And then there is repetition. It is repetition of certain words or phrases. So in the title itself, Dad and the cat and the tree, the word, the phrase "and the" is repeated, and the word "fall" has been repeated many times in the poem. So this was about the poem. Next, I have given question answers. You can just pause the video and check the question answers. Here are the question answers. So this was the poem, the Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Children, I hope you have liked it. Thank you for watching the videos. Bye-bye. Take care.